We have discovered an issue with the updating process for your Smart Ultra Soundbar that may cause it to stop playing audio in certain situations. To fix this issue, or to prevent it from happening in the future, we recommend following these steps. It's important to note, for this process to work, your soundbar must be connected to a Wi-Fi network. You know your soundbar is connected to Wi-Fi if you open the Bose app and can select your soundbar. Okay, let's begin. First, disconnect the soundbar from power for at least 30 seconds and then reconnect it. When the light bar glows white, tap the action button once and then tap the microphone off button. Keep alternating between these two buttons until the light bar blinks green. The soundbar will now download a software update with a fix to this issue. The light bar will scroll left to right while it's installing. Please note, this process can take up to 20 minutes. The light bar will stop scrolling when the update is complete. For additional support, visit our website.